It's a beautiful January day in Miami. I'm on my way to the Miami Design District, fueled on iced coffee and granola bars. The Design District, if you don't know, is one of the most up-and-coming areas of Miami. This whole area was basically warehouses 20 years ago. One man, I forget his name, bought up 80% of the entire area. And just little by little, it's been built up, and now it's kind of become the new epicenter of Miami, as opposed to Miami Beach, which is on the decline. This area is a little bit like Fashion Avenue in New York. It's home to stuff like Fendi and Gucci, what have you, Versace. Obviously, as you can see, I'm not a big fashion buff, but it's also drawing an international crowd here. You see people from all around the world in the Design District. And I've spotted this industrious woman walking around with this poster. Tell us who you are and what you're doing.
So my name is Mia, better known as your favorite sugar baby lifestyle coach on social media.
This is your Instagram?
Yes. And well, you know, Miami's getting a little expensive. I look good on a yacht. I decided to take marketing in person and let people know what I'm down for. I love money and rich men.
Have you lived on a yacht before?
I haven't lived on a yacht, but I think I've lived my best life on a yacht.
Are you worried that maybe this will work and then it won't turn out the way that you thought that it was going to? For example, if you don't like living on a yacht.
Well, listen, you can either cry in a Honda Civic or you can cry in a Rolls Royce. You're gonna cry regardless. So I picked the Rolls Royce.
Is this your first day doing this?
Absolutely not. We've been doing this for 2 years.
How has it been going for you?
Exceptional, amazing. I think my pages will speak for itself.
And last thing, is there anything that you want our viewers to do?
To go find a rich husband, baby. Life's a bitch, marry rich.
Thank you.
Well, that was definitely interesting. You can see here there's a big appeal to this area, not just with the weather in January, but the eclectic crowd here.
And really, really nice cars. So we're starting off with the G-Wagon and the Lambo convertible. And there's excellent dining in the Design District. It's pricey, but tasty. What kind of art is that? That's trippy. Beautiful GT4 RS. What a sound on that. Seeing this Tesla reminds me the Tesla dealership is right around the corner. Let's go see if the Cybertruck is in. More sweet cars.
Whoa, almost hit the bird.
All right, so I've been sent to Wynwood neighborhood because they've lent the Cybertruck out there.
Oh, someone's filming a rap video or TikTok or something. By the way, I've always found this building here that's for sale really interesting. It's a commercial lot and it's situated in between the Design District in Midtown, and it's $8 million. And if you wonder why it's that much money, that's just how in demand that this area is.
Wow, I wish I were eating here.
Here's our friend Mia again, getting that bread.
Elevate your hands above your head as if to celebrate. Elevate your hands above your head as if to celebrate. Elevate your hands above your head as if to celebrate. Elevate your hands above your head.
We made it, the Tesla bot. Here it is, the Cybertruck. Just kidding, this is the Cyber Quad. It's for kids, but they're gonna make one for adults.
Put a plaid motor in that. The Tesla Cybertruck, triple black. Would you get a Cybertruck murdered out like this?
But if you ever want to take it off, you're free to do so.
That's pretty cool.
This also comes off. You have a nice rim underneath.
That's like an inner one.
Yeah, it's just what we have to make sure this clips on.
the Tesla bot. So this is not a real one. This is just the display model. And even these cost thousands of dollars. The real one, the unit price, I am not sure of. They didn't even know at the Tesla dealership, but it is a lot. But the applications for this bot will be very broad. By the way, you gotta love the nod to Texas. Don't mess with Tesla belt buckle. That's great. So this thing could do everything from working from healthcare to mining and back, and even residential uses like household chores. Like maybe you've seen the video of it folding laundry. What do you think of this? Would you keep one in your home? Beautiful Porsche 911 convertible. And it's a Carrera S. Okay, let's go find more cars. Beautiful Jaguar XJR spotted in Miami. If you know this car, it is the V8 pumping out 370 horsepower. And that iconic silhouette. This is one of the most beautiful full-size luxury sedan saloon cars that came out of the late 90s. I miss this car dearly. Once a deserted warehouse district, Miami's Woodwood is now tourist ground zero, even displacing Miami Beach. Dog. Beautiful Ferrari, decked out in matte paint. Sorry about the plane going overhead. What do you think of the 488? Sorry, I have ADD. Anyways, back to the 488. I want to show you this cool DJI farm drone. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description to buy either this drone or a similar one. I don't know. I like money. I don't really care what you buy. Just, yeah, it's going to be an affiliate link. Anyways, please like, share, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. And thanks for watching.